want to get in my video. Want to get into this.
Hey,
Hello, Dino-verse. Welcome back. Today we're opening Kinetic sand.
right here. Man, got me some sand in there.
Oh my God.
Hey,
I put the sand there because I want to defeat the shark.
I don't know. Sharks hate the shark doesn't really like it. Wait.
He wants it.
Hold on. Keeps getting stuck everything. I'm good.
Okay, Ben, can you cut this?
No.
But you need to get it off.
Anyway, see gems. So we got 1, 2.
More.
3,
Wait, more.
4.
One more.
Stop it.
More.
There's one more. Find it. Oh, by the way, this is his connection.
And what about the green one?
We haven't found that one yet.
Yeah. I know where it is.
Where?
I had it right here.
It's not there.
Oh, how
Stop.
It's right here.
Where?
Right here in the corner.
No, it isn't. Oh, you're right. Okay, this is all the gems he got with it.
Yeah.
Now let's play with the Kinetic sand.
Yeah.
So what do you want to make?
I want to make a castle.
Castle. Ollie will be right back, kid. Okay?
Okay. Let's play. Okay. So I'm gonna hide these, and so I'm gonna hide these, and then I will let my brother look at them because I'm not gonna let him find them. So starting with, I'm gonna hide. Okay, thank you. Hey, I'm not a kitty, you're a kitty. None of us are kitty. We're kids. Anyway. So, if Ben... Stop it.
Sand. What should I make?
A bucket.
Bucket?
Yes.
Easy. That's gonna be Pikachu.
Hey, where's
Pikachu.
Yeah, so I hid it on and this is how I build a sandcastle at Kinetic
I'm gonna make it too.
Thanks for watching, Dino-verse.
Bye.